Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
Foods you should never eat. In this video we are going to talk about foods you should never eat. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please do speak to your doctor. The first one is pasteurized orange juice. Here's what happens when orange juice pasteurized. They cook it, thus destroying anything in it, therefore you don't get a lot of vitamin C, just sugar water. This is just going to spike the blood sugars. One of the main issues with pasteurized orange juice is that it can destroy many of the natural enzymes and vitamins found in fresh squeezed orange juice. These enzymes and vitamins play important roles in digestion, immune function, and overall health, and their loss during the pasteurization process can significantly reduce the nutritional value of the juice. Furthermore, some research suggests that the high temperatures used during pasteurization can create harmful compounds like advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that can contribute to chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. The second one is soy protein isolates. It is a highly processed and refined form of soy protein that is commonly used as a dietary supplement and in a variety of processed foods. While it is marketed as a healthy source of plant-based protein, there are some concerns about its potential negative effects on health. One of the main issues with soy protein isolate is its high concentration of phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. This can be particularly problematic for individuals with hormone-sensitive conditions like breast cancer or endometriosis, as well as for men who may experience hormonal imbalances and fertility issues. Furthermore, soy protein isolate is often derived from genetically modified soybeans, which can contain high levels of pesticides and other harmful chemicals. These chemicals can have negative effects on health and may contribute to inflammation and other health issues over time. Another thing you should avoid is the high fructose corn syrup. It is a sweetener that is commonly used in a wide variety of processed foods and beverages, including soft drinks, baked goods, and condiments. One of the main issues is its high concentration of fructose. Fructose is a type of sugar that is metabolized differently in the body than glucose, the other main type of sugar found in food. Studies have linked high fructose consumption to a variety of health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is often derived from genetically modified corn, which can contain high levels of pesticides and other harmful chemicals. These chemicals can have negative effects on health and may contribute to inflammation and other health issues over time. You should also avoid commercial meats with nitrates. Nitrates and nitrites are commonly used in the production of many commercial meats, including bacon, ham, sausages, and deli meats, as preservatives and to give these meats their characteristic pink color. One of the main issues with nitrates and nitrites is that they can form harmful compounds called nitrosamines when they are exposed to high heat, such as during cooking or processing. Nitrosamines have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly in the digestive system. Additionally, nitrates and nitrites can interact with other compounds in the body to form nitrosamines, which can contribute to the development of cancer. Furthermore, consuming meats that have been treated with nitrates and nitrites has been linked to a variety of other health problems. For example, research has linked high consumption of processed meats to an increased risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Additionally, some studies have suggested that nitrates and nitrites may contribute to inflammation in the body, which can contribute to a variety of other health problems over time. In addition, many commercial meats that are treated with nitrates and nitrites come from animals that are raised in concentrated animal feeding operations, CAFOs. These operations often use antibiotics, growth hormones, and other chemicals to promote growth and prevent disease, which can lead to antibiotic resistance, environmental pollution, and other health and environmental problems. The other thing you should avoid is commercial milk. This refers to the milk that is produced in large-scale dairy operations and sold in grocery stores. While milk is often touted as a source of important nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, there are concerns about the potential negative effects of commercial milk on health. One of the main issues with commercial milk is that it may contain high levels of antibiotics and growth hormones. Many commercial dairy cows are routinely given antibiotics to prevent infections, and some are also given growth hormones to increase milk production. These practices can lead to antibiotic resistance and contribute to the development of superbugs that are resistant to treatment with antibiotics. Additionally, many people are sensitive or intolerant to lactose, the primary sugar found in milk. This can lead to digestive problems like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. While lactose-free milk is available, it may still contain the same levels of antibiotics and growth hormones as regular milk. The last item on the list is TV dinners. These are pre-packaged, frozen meals that are designed to be heated up and eaten quickly and conveniently. While they may be convenient for people with busy schedules or limited cooking skills, there are concerns about the potential negative effects of TV dinners on health. One of the main issues with TV dinners is that they are often high in sodium and preservatives. These meals typically contain high amounts of salt, which can contribute to high blood pressure and an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, many TV dinners contain preservatives like sodium nitrite, which have been linked to an increased risk of cancer and other health problems. Furthermore, many TV dinners are high in calories, saturated fat, and added sugars. These meals are often loaded with processed meats, cheese, and other high-calorie ingredients that can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and other health problems over time. In addition, many TV dinners contain low-quality ingredients like refined carbohydrates, artificial colors, and flavors. These ingredients can contribute to inflammation in the body, which has been linked to a variety of chronic health problems. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and we will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.